Here are your current conditions.
Urgent bulletin for southern Michigan and northeastern Ohio, including the cities of Toledo and Bowling Green. Extremely deadly freezing conditions are ongoing across the region with wind chill as low as the -50s in some areas. Frozen water systems are expected, and power grids could also freeze, causing a significant amount of damage which could lead to an indefinite shutdown of power. Heavy snow will also continue to fall in the warned area. Use any heating devices necessary to prevent you or your family from hypothermia, asthma, and other serious health issues from long exposure to cold temperatures. If you get trapped indoors, remain in a warm area. Use canned food and water bottles to suffice until the area is clear. Do not attempt to shovel snow at this time.